Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Today we're going to be looking at a Samsung CLX-3185 printer. We're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass. So if you've ever noticed that whenever you send a print job to your printer and everything's just fine, but as soon as you go to make a copy or a scan of that same document, you start having problems, and whether it be like little lines or blemishes on the paper, it's going to indicate that there is something dirty on the scanner glass. So in this case, there's only one scanner. So when you lift up the top of the scanner, you have your big plate glass scanner. In order to clean it, we're going to use your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have any glass cleaner handy, you can use rubbing alcohol, but glass cleaner is the preferred method. And you're going to want a lint-free cloth. Always apply your glass cleaner to your cloth, never to the glass. As if you apply the glass cleaner to your glass, it's really easy for it to seep underneath the glass and cause a lot of other issues. So please always make sure you apply your cleaner directly to your cloth. And you don't need a bunch. And then we're just going to kind of look over it, see if you see any potential spots that could be causing any of those little blemishes. A lot of the times it would be something like ink, whiteout, tape, anything like that. And just want to kind of focus on those little areas, but give the whole thing a wipe. And we just want to make sure it's good and clean. Make sure after you kind of wipe it off, again, give it another visual inspection, make sure there's nothing that is being a little stubborn to come off. Those are usually the things that are causing your blemishes. And once you're happy with the way everything looks, I would recommend going ahead and putting your, a printout of something on here and making another copy or a scan, making sure that all those blemishes or lines went away. If you still have a faint blemish or a faint line, anything like that, just go back and clean it one more time. There might be something that's just really hard to see. And then after that, you should be good to go. You'll be back up and printing.